guys, today we are going to break down how I lost my trade today. Yeah, first of all, I've traded 3 times this week. All of them have been losses. We are on a losing streak right now. And, it's hard to have that and to just like believe, subconsciously that you're like successful in this. And that's what you need to believe in order to be successful in this. So it is, it is something that just kind of messes with you. But, I think after this trade, we're definitely gonna just be done for the week. Um, and that's mainly just because I think I just need a break. I need time to clear my thoughts and to just, improve. So, yeah, we're gonna break down the trade that we took today. Also, I took a trade yesterday. It was actually it wasn't that bad. I just like kind of made a trade recap and it like I hated it, so I just didn't post that. Um, Yesterday's trade was on ES. Here, I'll just show that. But yeah, overall, I mean, looking at this, if you look from here to here, we just shouldn't have traded. You know what I mean? We're super consolidated. If we look on the 5 minute, we're not. Oops. If we look on the 5 minute, we're just going up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. You know what I mean? We just shouldn't have traded. And that's the first step to being successful is knowing when not to trade. And I didn't do that. So, at the end, the trade that we ended up taking was, I believe, I think it was something, this candle right here. I don't know, he's still sleeping. Yes, he's still sleeping. Hold up, I'll be right out. I gotta do this real quick. Stop. I'm, I have to do this. Hold on. Anyways, um, sorry, my roommates came back, but I believe I took it off. I don't know. It was just a bad trade. Wasn't needed. I don't know, man. I just, I don't know. Not proud of it. Um, but it's what we learned from. So, yeah, I mean, overall, this, um, we were just going back and forth. So, not a trade to take yesterday. But if we look at today, this is what we had for draws. We had a decent amount of draws to the downside, and then a decent amount to the upside as well. Um, and also on Nasdaq, we had the exact same thing. So right off of RIP, we went up and we swept out these highs, but on Nasdaq we didn't get all the way up there. So we made a high time frame SMT off of these highs, which obviously did not play out. And this entire week, high time frame SMTs have just not been playing out. And that's kind of what I've been basing out my trades off of. And I don't want to do that because I feel like when looking back at previous trades that I have taken, I don't I don't usually win trades off of high time frames, super big SMT plays. That's just not how my trades usually work, and I need to realize that and I need to grow from that. Anyways, if we look right off of RIP, we went up, swept these highs out, and then obviously made that SMT. And a little bit before pre-market, well, actually, I think it was like literally the first or second candle market open, we made this bullish SMT, and that made us sweep out these highs. And then after this, we came down and made a bearish or bullish SMT again, and that just flew over my head. I marked it out. I still just thought it didn't matter, and obviously it did. So that is completely on me for that one, for just ignoring that and just not not factoring that in. I don't know why. That's exactly why. I just think I should just rest a little bit from this. Still like watch stuff and see why everything is happening, but I will not be trading the rest of the week, for sure. So yeah, my kind of bias was, okay, we're sweeping out or we're filling in these gaps when really we were just inversing them. So I don't know. I mean, you can see that these gaps, sorry, I just tried to touch the screen. I mean, we had all these gaps, fair value gaps here, and we were just coming up and we were just inversing every single one of them. And the only one that technically we like was good was this one. But I mean, what is this? This is not really a fair value gap. Neither is this. I mean, it is, but like it's not something I should be taking a trade off of for sure. So yeah, I took my trade base off of this like 15-minute retracement, which again is not a 5-minute retracement. If we look at the 5-minute, we're not, we're trending upwards. We're not in a retracement. We're trending upwards. And I don't know why my brain just couldn't see that. We inversed this gap with this candle, yet I had a bullish bias or a bearish bias. I don't know why. But yeah, I took my trade off of this liquidity sweep and I guess this super high time frame SMT that literally would have taken hours to play out. As I know from my experience, stuff takes usually like the whole day. But yeah, I took it off of this and I ended up not risking that much. I would think it was only like 220. And then I think it was originally like 200. I had my stops here, and then I moved it up to like 220 and put my stops here, or like, yeah, something like that. I don't know. I think it was around like 230 though of a loss. So, yeah, what can we learn from this? What can we learn from this? That's what we should be looking at. First of all, we should be less inclined to take trades when it's around like later in the market open. And if we do, we should be basing it off of like lower time frame SMTs. I think definitely try to take trades off of SMTs. It's only going to help you, and they just seem to play out more. And I think that's what I'm going to do is just, have more of those direct confluences. Like you have to take a trade off of an SMT. I mean, even if we look at here, this gap, we fully respected it. We fully respected this gap with these candles. I mean, obviously we dipped down a little bit, but like still, we fully respected that. But yet, a candle or two later, I'm ready to take shorts. So I don't know what was going through my head when taking this, but it's definitely something to look back on. It's definitely something to learn from. So I'm very excited to see what next week brings, and yeah, we'll just have to see. But overall, yeah, made an SMT here, but for some reason I wanted to ignore that and take my trade off of this SMT here. So, yeah, definitely things we can improve on. SMTs might be mandatory now to take trades. We'll have to see. But yeah, overall, not the best trading day, and I think we're going to be done for the week. So, yeah, see you guys next week.